Hey everyone, welcome to the daily analysis for Euro US dollar, April 22nd, 2009. The time is currently 8:05 GMT. Currently looking at a daily chart. About a week ago, I'd mentioned the importance of the 1.31 level, and I was expecting a bounce, but we ended up breaking through it. So my bias is naturally turned to a more bearish sentiment now. However, the euro pair or the euro headlining pair has it's been really resilient to move further or move lower at any kind of quickened pace. Looking at the CCI and the daily chart, not a lot of help. We're approaching the bearish trend line, so we might see a move lower in the next day or so. But not a lot of help going on. These two green lines here are just, this line can actually be extended up to the top here. But they're just continuations of where the euro is consolidating on a weekly scale. Um, so back to the daily chart, where you can see those. I've got the 1.31 support and resistance level, and there's not a whole lot happening aside from this. I mean, when we broke it, we've obviously moved about 200 pips lower, and we've kind of stalled out near the 1.29 level. Um, so zooming in onto the 4-hour chart, again, there's not a whole lot going on. Zoom out just a tad. On the bearish CCI perspective, or looking for a bullish break, you've got this CCI line from here to here. We got a little space, and again, we're approaching it, and we don't know if we're going to break it or not. The last 4-hour candle, you can see, actually created a double bottom at 1.2887 and 1.2885. So this is actually a little bit significant, but we'll see how well it holds. So I would be looking to go short off of this, off of a double bottom break at 1.2880. That gives me a little bit of a buffer because this low was 887 and this one was 885. There was a 2 pip difference. So just giving yourself a little bit of extra room to kind of confirm that it is a new low and it isn't going to be part of a triple top or a triple bottom. Trend lines. This was a trend line from last week that we had. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 touches on it. We're still kind of within this line right here. So we might see a rise up to 1.2982 and still be within this trend line, which will probably still be within the CCI trend line drawn here because those are the same. They both started and are at the same areas. So long wise, obviously if it breaks this trend line right here and possibly a break of the 1.30 level, that would probably be a semi-safe long. Although take profit is a little bit wary, and I would probably take profit before we hit the 1.31 level, and that's if we do take a bullish turn. So aside from that, there's not a whole lot going on the euro right now. It's kind of stalled out the last couple days, and it's been ranging between 1.29 and 1.3. So a short-term long above 1.3, take profit before 1.31, and if we break below 1.2880, I would look to enter short and take profit because it is a bearish trend. It might be a daily trade, but I would start to look at this lower trend line that goes all the way back into late October, and that would put us right around the 1.25 area. Just to be safe, though, I would probably take profit in the 1.26, 1.2650 area. I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave a comment and I can address it. As always, pay attention to support and resistance that forms throughout the day, candlesticks such as potential reversals, double bottoms, things like that. They could lead to where the market might be headed, and make sure all your trade decisions are smart and safe. Thanks. Bye.